Hello everyone, this is my first YouTube channel, and in this YouTube channel we are going to discuss research articles which are based on MTECH ECE. Okay, so those students who are going to do their research in electronics and communication department, or those students who are going to make the thesis or research articles, or those who want to make journals uh, based on electronics and communication, they can follow these research articles which we are going to discuss every week, and they can take the idea from these research articles and can innovate their research accordingly. So here are some of the ideas taken by me. So these articles are based on electronics and communication engineering. So the number one article is equipping smart coasts with marine water quality IoT sensors. So what are sensors? The sensors are those devices which sense the information from the surrounding environment, like temperature, pressure, humidity, water level, pH level, salinity, or different kinds of information they can sense from the atmosphere and give the data to the give the data to the device which is connected in the IoT system. So in this article, we have IoT sensors at the smart coasts, at the coast. That's why we have written here smart coasts. Okay, so why sensors are used on the coasts? To collect the information, to collect the information which we need for the marine water animals. So the highlights are written here. The number one is this micro manuscript describes a university or industry collaboration to study water quality at a shellfish hatchery. What is a shellfish hatchery? A shellfish hatchery is a place where the breeding of animals are done. Like, it is a facility. We can say it is a facility that provides controlled conditions for breeding and raising shellfish from the egg stage to the larva. From the egg stage to the larva. So, hatchery we have discussed. So an IoT sensor is built there to collect the data for the breeding of shellfish. The second point is we designed a real-time communication systems, including hardware real time. Why we need real-time communication system? To collect the data, to collect the information on hourly basis. Like, we are getting the information, updating the information about the quality of the water level every hour. Okay, so we need hardware, firmware, web visualization, and one analysis software. Third one, a dashboard is located which will collect the data. That means the data is uploaded at the dashboard, and the researchers or the managers, they can collect the data whatever if they want to. Like, it is a form of archive. Okay, repository, whatever the information they want, and whenever they want, they can get the information. So the abstract, the idea of the this article came from ocean acidification. Why do we need IoT sensors there? So oceans are getting acidified, means oceans, the amount of carbon dioxide is getting increased day by day in the water. So ocean acidification, as I have written, that is the decrease in seawater pH level. As you know, as the water becomes more acidic, the pH level will be decreased. The lesser will be the pH level. So as a result of increasing carbon dioxide in the water level absorbs the carbon dioxide, and the gradually the pH level of the seawater decreases. So in the west coast, so what is the outcome of this ocean acidification? So oyster is a type of water animal. Its mortality is going on in the west coast shell fisheries. Mortality means the oysters are getting died in the west coast shell fisheries. Yet carbon chemistry is only sparsely measured, but the carbon chemistry is very little measured. Because why the we cannot measure the amount of carbon dioxide in the water level? Because the cost of the sensors is very high, the maintenance is very high. As the cost and computation is very high, it's not feasible for us to maintain or to equip the marine coast with smarter devices. So secondly, first point is the cost and computation is very high. Secondly, data are rarely communicated, means as we have a dashboard, but data, real time data we can't get. Like I am a researcher and I need the data of the fisheries hatchery now. Okay, I want to do the breeding there. Okay, so I need the data now. So the data are rarely communicated, means we will get the updated data 2 weeks later, 6 months later, 3 months later. So we can't update the data on real time basis. So it will about the water quality or the whatever the, if I am a researcher, I am not getting the data whenever I want. So I need smart devices there, so that I can check the data, I can check the temperature, the humidity level, or the level of the temperature, pressure, whatever I want, I can get. So researchers from Scripps Institution of Oceanography and industry representatives have come together. So some researchers from the one institution in America and industry, like I have earlier said that the one university, and it is the collaboration of university and industry. So some researchers from the university and some representatives from the industry, they have come together through a project which is called NOAA project. They try to reduce this data shortage. Like now we have, I can't access the data, I can't check the water quality of the ocean, but now they have come together, they have made a project NOAA to remove the shortage of data. And they have used cutting edge, means they have used an advanced research technology off the shelf, and they can implement easily IoT communication packages. So in the next video, we will discuss the diagram and the conclusion of equipping smart coast with marine water quality for sensors. Till then, bye. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.